Hello students, today we will discuss another conditions of two planes. Angle between two planes. Let us suppose equation of two planes are a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus b equal to 0, and another equation of the plane is a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus b equal to 0. Now angle between these two planes. Cos theta equal to a1 a2, coefficient of x that will be multiplied a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon under root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into under root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. That is the angle between two planes. Now condition of perpendicularity of two planes. Two planes will be perpendicular if it satisfies a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0 condition. And condition of parallelism of two planes are parallel if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Now come to the question. Find the angle between the planes x plus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0, and another equation of the plane is 2x minus y minus z plus 5 equal to 0. So we have equations of two planes x plus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Let us suppose that is first plane, and 2x minus y minus z plus 5 equal to 0 equation of second plane. Now compare it with the standard equation of the plane. Coefficient of x, that is a1, fourth equation of the first plane. Here a1 is 1. Coefficient of y, that is b1, 1. Coefficient of z, that is 1. Again it will be c1 equal to 1. Now from second equation of the plane, a2, 2, b2 coefficient of y minus 1, c2 coefficient of z minus 1. Now formula for angle between two planes, that will be cos theta equal to a1 a2. A1 is 1, a2 2, 1 into 2 plus b1 b2 1 into minus 1 plus c1 into c2 1 into minus 1 upon under root a1 square, a1 is 1 plus b1 square again 1, c1 square again 1 under root a2 square, that is 2 square plus b2 square minus 1 whole square plus c2 square minus 1 whole square. Simplify it, 1 into 2, that will be 2, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 upon under root 1 square 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be root 3. For this 2 square 4 plus minus 1 square 1 minus 1 square 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, it will be root 6. Or cos theta equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, it will be 0. Upon root 3 into root 6 as it is, 0 divided by any number, it will be 0. Cos theta equal to 0. So theta equal to 90 degree. Therefore the planes are perpendicular to each other. Both plane will be perpendicular to each other because angle between them is 90 degree. Now another question. Find the equation of the plane through 1, 2, 3. Point is given. Equation of the plane passing through this point and parallel to the plane, parallel to this plane. So let the equation of the plane parallel to given plane. Given plane is this, parallel to this is 3x plus 4y minus 5z equal to k. K is arbitrary constant, you can say. Equation of plane parallel to this plane. Coefficient of x, y, z remains same. Only this will be changed, distance. So equation 1 passes through, it is given that passes through 1, 2, 3. So equation of the plane passes through 1, 2, 3. Put the value of x replaced by 1, y by 2, z by 3. Then it will be 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2 minus 5 into 3 equal to k. 3 into 1 3 plus 4 into 2 8, 3 plus 8 11 minus 5 into 3 15, 11 minus 15, it will be minus 4. So value of k is minus 4. The required equation of the plane, put the value of k in equation first. So 3x plus 4y minus 5z equal to minus 4, or you can write 3x plus 4y minus 5z plus 4 equal to 0. It will be equation of the plane. Another question. Find the equation of the plane through minus 1, 1, 1 and 1 minus 1, 1 and perpendicular to plane x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 5. So let the required equation of the plane be ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Now equation of the plane, it passes through -1, 1, 1. put the value of x minus 1, y 1, z 1, then it will a into x minus 1 minus a plus b into y, y1, it will be b plus c into z, value of z is 1, c plus d as it is equation second. Again equation of the plane passes through another point, that is 1 minus 1, 1, x replaced by 1, y by minus 1 and z by 1. This time you will get the equation a minus b plus c plus d equal to 0. That is your third equation. Now it is given that equation of the plane which is perpendicular to the given plane. So also plane first is perpendicular to the plane, given plane this. For perpendicular condition you know that will be a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. Perpendicular condition. Here coefficient of x is 1, so a into x will be replaced by coefficient of x is a, here coefficient of x is 1, so 1 into a plus coefficient of y 2, here b, 2 into b 2b plus coefficient of z 2, here c, 2 into c 2c equal to 0, because it is the condition for perpendicular a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. So that will be your fourth equation. Now from equation third you will subtract equation 2. Third equation is a minus b plus c plus d. It is your third equation. Second equation is this, minus a plus b plus c plus d equal to 0. On subtracting, sign will be changed. It is plus minus minus minus. A 2a minus b 2b, or c that will be cancel out, c and d. So 2a minus 2b equal to 0, or you can say a minus b equal to 0, and it can be written a minus b plus 0 c equal to 0. That is your fourth equation. Now on the basis of equation fourth and fifth, by cross multiplication method we will find the value of a, b, c. Now a upon coefficient of b 2, it will be multiplied with coefficient of c 0, 2 into 0 0. Then minus 1 into 2, that will be minus 2, but middle sign will be negative, minus minus plus 0 plus 2. Now for b, coefficient of c is 2, coefficient of a is 1, 2 into 1 2, minus 1 into 0 0. Same way c upon coefficient of a 1, coefficient of b minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, middle sign negative, 2 into 1, that will be 2. So if let the value of these will be equal to lambda. From here you will get value of a, that is 2 lambda. 2 lambda is a equal to 2 lambda, b equal to again 2 lambda, c equal to minus 3 lambda. Value of ABC put in equation second. Value of ABC put in equation second. Second equation is this, put the value of a, b, c. It will be minus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 3 lambda plus d equal to 0. 2 lambda to 2 lambda cancel out, d equal to 3 lambda. Now value of a, b, c, d put in equation first. Value of a, b, c, d put in equation first, you will get 2 lambda x plus 2 lambda y minus 3 lambda z plus 3 lambda equal to 0. Lambda will be common, or after taking common lambda you will get 2x plus 2y minus 3z plus 3 equal to 0. It will be your final equation of the plane. Thank you.